My gosh, word gets out pretty quick in the animal kingdom. Crows have now showed up. Oh my gosh, I didn't even put food all over there. I only put it out here. But I don't know, maybe they saw the birds eating from far away and said, "What they eating? Let's go see." But Mr. Squirrel's still there. He said, don't mess with my stuff." They must have saw him burying stuff from way up there. Man, this might be the only reason I might go back to a house. So I can have, look at there, 4 crows out there, a squirrel, 2 squirrels, 4 crows, 2 squirrels, and birds. Well, crows are birds. But wow. I'm like oh, that's 5 crows. There's one over there. Oh no, 6. Oh, look, they're all coupled up. There's a couple, there's a couple, and there's a couple. Aw. I wish mankind lived like birds. Just coupled up forever. Nobody's cheating. That is so awesome. Look at them. They're walking together and having breakfast. That's awesome. I have to see what crows eat. Nah, then the neighbors would really hate me. She got all those animals over here, birds all out there in the quad. All these crows be out there, the squirrels. That's awesome.